In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a rental property on Zillow. So first of all, what we're going to do is go to zillow.com/rental-manager. Then you want to come down here to, it says list your property for free. Click here. And it's going to ask you for some information about yourself. So your name, and are you a landlord, a property manager, and the number of properties you have. Next, it's going to ask you for the basic information about your property. So you put the street address in here, the property type, house, condo, townhouse, entire apartment community, and the unit number. So if it doesn't have a number, just leave it blank. Also, this is a room for rent with a shared living space. You can select this if you want to. So go to next. So is this information correct and complete? Make sure it's correct and complete, otherwise it won't work. Then click continue. You can close this. And boom, you've added your listing on Zillow. Now from here, what you can do is you can edit the property type. If you click on here, you can change that stuff. Okay, so now that you've got property on here, you want to go over to here where it says listing, and it's going to say set up listing. You want to click on the set up listing there. Now it's going to ask you to put some more information in. So this will give you 1 million daily visitors. So square footage, put your square footage, total bedrooms, total bathrooms. Now I want a description of the property. Just give it as in-depth as you can. How much do you want per month? What's the security deposit you want? What is the pets policy? No pets, cats allowed, small dogs, large dogs. Select what you want. So, what should renters know about the lease terms? So, deal breakers, deal makers. You need to be upfront about the fees, utility costs, and also all your policies. So, write everything in there that you think is relevant. Next, you want to add some photos into here. And if you have a 3D tour, you can do that, and that will really help your listing. Now here you can click amenities, so air conditioning, balcony or deck, furnished, hardwood floors, disabled access, garage parking, off-street parking, dishwasher, pool, bicycle storage. And you can put additional ones like pet area, for example. Where's the laundry located? So no. Washer dryer included, washer dryer hookups, or shared or in building. Now final details. Who's listing this property for rent? Property owner, management company, tenant, and then you put your name and your email in there. Also, you're going to add a phone number, and it's going to ask you what days you're available to show the property. You hit next,